Today we're at 213 East Bobe Street in Pensacola. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath property. We're in the living area here as you come in the front door. If you go through the living area, we'll turn and show you a shot back toward the front entryway. There's another shot of the living area. Lots of windows, and there's your front door. Now we're in the dining area. We have hardwood flooring in here. Nice light for over your table. There you have a corner cabinet for storage and your fireplace. Going through the dining area, you enter the kitchen. A lot of cabinet and storage in this kitchen. Nice crown molding, double window over the sink. You have your dishwasher, stove, microwave there. Tile flooring in the kitchen. Continuing through the kitchen, you're in the laundry area, washer, dryer included. You have access to the backyard there on the right. Then turning left, you have a full bathroom. There's your toilet and vanity. And then turning, you can see you have a tub shower combo in here. Coming out of this bathroom, we'll go back through the kitchen and head to the hallway and show you the 2 bedrooms. Here's a shot of the kitchen from the laundry area. So go through the kitchen, we'll take a right, we'll be in the hallway, we'll show you the bedrooms. Master bedroom's on the front. See a nice fan there. 3 windows in this bedroom, so offers a lot of lighting. Your closet storage there. We'll turn and go out of this bedroom, and on the left we have the 2nd bathroom. Jacuzzi tub in this bathroom, you can see that. Nice vanity. And then you have your commode area in the corner. Coming out of this bathroom, we'll continue forward. We'll show you the 2nd bedroom. 2nd bedroom is on the back of the house. You have windows there behind the curtain, closet storage. This is a nice sized bedroom as well. Nice ceiling fan. We'll step back and show you this is a good sized room. There's your shot back out into the hallway. So we'll continue into the hallway. We'll be back into the dining area. Again, this is 213 East Bobe Street in Pensacola. It's offered by Barron's Property Managers. You can see this on our website at barronspm.com, or you can call our office at 850-934-2588.